Welcome to my Fritaire versus Ninja Crispi comparison. If you're searching for a glass air fryer that's as safe as it is stylish, both the Fritaire and the Ninja Crispi deserve your attention. They are two of the most exciting, non-toxic air fryers on the market today, each offering a chemical-free cooking experience and the joy of watching your food crisp up through crystal clear glass. But when you look at the full picture, features, performance, and everyday convenience, the Fritaire quietly takes the lead. Before I explain the differences, let's start by looking at what these air fryers have in common. Both the Fritaire and the Ninja Crispi use a transparent glass bowl, so you can watch your food as it cooks. No more guessing or opening the basket to check on progress. This not only adds a bit of fun to the cooking process, but it also helps prevent overcooking or burning, making both units beginner-friendly and ideal for families. In terms of functionality, the Ninja Crispi is a 4-in-1 portable glass air fryer with 4 main cooking functions: max crisp, bake, air fry, and recrisp. These settings make it easy to whip up crispy fries, baked goods, or reheat leftovers. Fritaire, on the other hand, offers 2 extra cooking functions compared to the Ninja Crispi. You have dedicated cooking functions for common air fryer foods like chicken, steak, French fries, and seafood, as well as convenient settings for baked dishes and dehydrating, making the Fritaire a more versatile choice. While the Ninja Crispi is certainly a capable air fryer, it's so helpful having dedicated cooking functions for air fryer essentials that most of us cook on a weekly, if not daily basis. These aren't just generic settings, they're carefully engineered to help you nail the most popular air fryer recipes right out of the box. This means that anyone from pro chefs or first-time air fryer users can get to work with the Fritaire right away. Accessories are another area where Fritaire goes above and beyond. It comes standard with a rotisserie kit, tumbling basket, air stand, and grabber, giving you the tools to roast, tumble fry, or air fry just about anything. The unique rotisserie and tumbler accessories open up possibilities for perfectly roasted chicken, evenly crisp fries, or even homemade snacks. Watching the rotisserie accessory in action has to be one of the most satisfying air fryer experiences I've ever had, and it's made all the better by the perfectly crispy results thanks to the even heat distribution. The rotisserie motor runs on batteries, which keeps setup simple, no extra cords. But this isn't just a typical rotisserie device, you're getting a self-cleaning air fryer, more on that in a minute, that's completely non-toxic and free from PFAS, Teflon, BPA, BPS, and forever chemicals. Now, I think we can all agree that cleaning is often the biggest pain point with air fryers. Despite being supposedly non-stick, most air fryers are a complete nightmare to scrub. The Fritaire, on the other hand, is the only self-cleaning air fryer on the market, which I found really impressive. Just add soapy water, and the unit uses its hot air circulator to rinse itself out. No scrubbing or awkward disassembly required. With the Ninja Crispi, you'll find that while the glass bowl is easy to clean, food can sometimes get trapped under the plastic base, which isn't removable from the bowl. Splatter can also reach the heating element, making cleanup more tedious. In this regard, some kind of splatter shield would be really useful in future versions of the product. The Ninja Crispi is certainly easier to clean than a traditional basket air fryer, but if you're looking for the absolute easiest air fryer to clean, then Fritaire is the #1 choice because of its inbuilt self-cleaning function, which saves you so much time on cleanup after cooking. On a side note, I find it so ironic how those chemical-laden basket air fryers that are supposedly non-stick are actually much harder to clean than a non-toxic air fryer like Fritaire or the Ninja Crispi. I really like that the Ninja Crispi comes with both a 6-cup and 4-quart container, giving you flexibility in your meal sizes. The 6-cup container is ideal for meals on the go, especially with the leak-proof lid, while the 4-quart container is great for batch cooking, especially because you can store the glassware in your cupboards, fridge, or even in the freezer. The only downside here is that if you want to batch cook, you'll need to buy more compatible glassware because you obviously can't use the Ninja Crispi while your containers are in the fridge. Last time I checked, a spare 4-quart container was almost $50, which is pretty expensive for a single container if you ask me. While the Fritaire doesn't come with these convenient containers like the Ninja Crispi does, you can easily buy comparable glass storage dishes from brands like Pyrex for less than $15 per dish, which is much cheaper than buying extra containers for the Ninja Crispi. It's true the Ninja Crispi is more affordable, and for those who want a simple, reliable air fryer for cooking meals, it's a solid choice. But with the Fritaire, you're investing in more than just a glass air fryer. You're getting more cooking presets, a suite of useful accessories, whisper quiet operation, and the easiest cleanup in the business. Plus, if you spend money on extra containers, then the Ninja Crispi will actually work out more expensive than the Fritaire over the long run, which is something a lot of people fail to consider. Aesthetically, the Fritaire stands out with vibrant, modern colors that look true to life on your countertop. From bright orange and striking red cherry to calming sage green and mild lavender, the Fritaire has an extensive color selection to match your mood and kitchen style. If you love appliances that double as decor, the Fritaire is a true conversation starter. The Ninja Crispi, while sleek, sticks to more subdued tones, which you might not find as appealing. Noise level might not be the first thing you think about, but let me tell you, it makes a difference in daily life. While the Ninja Crispi isn't especially loud for an air fryer, the Fritaire is noticeably quieter, so you can cook early in the morning or late at night without disturbing the whole house. A small but meaningful touch for many households. In the end, both the Fritaire and Ninja Crispi make non-toxic glass air frying accessible and enjoyable. But if you want an air fryer that goes further, making cooking easier, clean up faster, and your kitchen brighter, the Fritaire is my #1 pick.